Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very basic fish recipe. This recipe is going to be super delicious and you can pair the fish with just about anything. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a pan. This is just a medium fish, so I'm going to be using a medium pan. I've added some oil to my pan, so I'm going to add in one large onion. So because the recipe is very basic, I'm going to be using 3 ingredients, which is onion, tomato, and coriander. If you don't love coriander, you can skip coriander, but I absolutely love using coriander in my food. And 1 medium-sized fish among some spices, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. And if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love cooking and showing you easy and amazing recipes. So once my onion is starting to brown, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. These are 2 diced tomatoes. Stir in the tomatoes and then I'm going to add in tomato paste. As my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be picking up my spices. So I'm going to be using turmeric and paprika, salt, because it is very basic, so everything is going to be very simple with basic or simple spices. So I'm going to add in some turmeric, paprika, salt for seasoning, stir in. Next, I'm going to add a splash of water so that my tomatoes can cook through. Stir in the water into the tomatoes. And then I'm going to give my tomatoes around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame because I want them to be fully cooked. When the tomatoes are fully cooked and the oil is separated from the sauce, I'm going to add in my fish, which is already fried. And then I'm going to baste the fish with my delicious sauce. Flip my fish. Just look at that. And then I'm going to add in a splash of water because I want my fish to simmer so that it can absorb all the delicious spices and the tomato and onion flavor. So I'm going to let my fish simmer for around 5 minutes on low flame. When my sauce has reduced halfway, I'm going to garnish with coriander because my fish is ready. It is that simple. So this recipe is as easy as that. So I'm going to be pairing my fish with some potatoes and I'm surely going to enjoy each and every bite.